Can you find and recover the deleted listing in your Facebook Marketplace? Hey guys, and welcome back. If you have previously deleted a listing on your Facebook Marketplace but want to retrieve it again, unfortunately, it is not possible. Deleting a listing is permanent, so you will not be able to retrieve a deleted listing. Therefore, make sure you do not delete the listing unless you are sure of it. Instead, what you can do is go to your marketplace, click on the three dots next to your listing, and from there, instead of delete listing, choose on mark as sold. This will temporarily remove it from the available list and you can retrieve it any moment you want it back. So instead of deleting a listing, you can opt for this option in order to retrieve any listing data. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.